Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm doing a flip through of my Lavender Serenity journal that I made from the kit from Shabbydabbydodah. Hi Tina. So I'm just going to do a flip through today. I won't do a lot of talking, and if you have questions, please either ask below or you can convo me through my Etsy shop, which will also be linked below in the description box. Thank you for looking. Let's get started. These are all of the words and positive sayings and motivations and prompts that come with the kit. I'm just including them in a bag so that you can use them however you'd like. This journal also comes with a journaling card that I've made for it out of one of the sheets of paper and backed with cardstock. So you can put this on any page and write more smoothly on that page using this journaling card. The specs on this journal, it's 6 1/4 inches wide when folded shut. It's 9 inches tall. It's about 1.5 inches deep at the spine. It's 3 signatures, and there are 24 pages in each. There are 24 sheets of paper in each signature, and that's 48 front and back for each signature, which is 144 total overall front and back pages. Tons of journaling space, and I really enjoyed making this and using the kit from Tina at Shabbydabbydodah. I will link her shop and my Etsy shop below, and this should be on my Etsy in the next 24 hours. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and if this journal inspires you in any way, please purchase it. Again, the listing will be up soon. Today is Good Friday in April 2019. So if it sells, when it sells, positive thinking, when it sells, I will mark it sold on this video that it has sold. But that doesn't mean you can't look at it still. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. You have a great weekend. Happy Easter if you celebrate that. Don't eat too much candy if that's how you celebrate. And take care of yourself. Happy crafting, and thanks for looking. Bye-bye.